Hi, I'm Marshall with Engineered Off-Road Systems and doing a little launch and demonstration video today for the Bronco Potable water system. I guess they say a picture is worth 1,000 words, so hopefully a video is worth, I don't know, maybe 10,000 words. So first of all, I'll show you how you fill the water system. We take the filter and the spigot, which are included with the system. Open up the little cap, and this has a nice quarter turn lock, ready to go. Take the protective caps off of your filter here and hook the filter directly up to the spigot. Then we use a nice rotating stainless steel adapter, which comes with replaceable seals, and hook that up to this end of the filter. Finally, a garden hose there. Turn your system to the fill location. Fill up your system with a water hose, regulating the flow right here. About 5 minutes to fill the tank. When you're done and you want to use it, just take the filter back off. And the spigot here is for your daily water consumption. Move this over to the use position. Power it up. You'll see the pressure gauge work, hear the pump prime, and you're ready to go with fresh, potable water. Also included is a nice coil hose with a very nice sprayer with 8 different positions of spray types on it. So this is thumb controlled. Lots of different settings on here. When you're done at the beach, done with your sports, clean yourself up and you're ready to go and have a nice, cool, refreshing drink. Thanks for having a look. Appreciate it. Take care.